again, welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. I am here today to come on and show you a beautiful box full of goodies. This is from the Furls company. And let's go ahead and get started and see what I got in this box. Okay, so got my invoice right on the top, saying thank you for your order. Oh, it's a box within a box. Okay, look at this. Oh, wow. It's showing that it's fragile. And it's heavy, too. So, let's see what it is. I have to get the scissors. So, let me know what in the comments what you're working on and how you've been. I hope everybody is safe and well. I didn't anticipate there would be a box within a box. So, you know I didn't open it. And look at it beforehand. Oh, man. This is exciting. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look how it's packaged. Can you all see that? Very nice. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta use my muscle. Look at this. This is a collector's box. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You could tell already. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the quality of this wood. Any sailor would love this. Love wood. Look at that. Oh, it's heavy. Gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Look, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's very sturdy, too. Oh, my goodness. And let's get one. The inside, you can see that there is a drawer there. And I will take this silica gel out so you can all see that. This is where you put your furls. Oh, and it's so soft on the inside. Oh, man. Velvety soft. So, the top part here, can you all see that? This is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you can put 10 furls on the top. And then here's in the drawer here, you can put 10 furls down below. Isn't that nice? This is gorgeous. I want to say this is the ebony box. And look at that hardware. This is also what sailors love because we shine brass all the time. You shine it so much until you can't. You've got to love it. That is beautiful. Oh my God, I love this box. And then it has the felt down at the bottom, so it's not going to scratch anything. This is made to perfection. Look at that. Look at it. Very nice. They do also have one in black. And there is another color, if I'm not mistaken. But I know that they have an ebony one and a black one. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then they have the hardware here that's shiny. Can you all see that? Very, very nice. This is gorgeous. This is a dream. This is basically like a nice keepsake piece of furniture type deal. Oh my gosh. Let me grab my furls and then I'm going to come back on, and then I'll show you how they look in the box, because just showing the box itself doesn't do it justice. I think that I should come on here and I should show you all how they look in the box. What do you think? Okay, so I went ahead and I grabbed my furls that I do have. Looks like I'm missing one, but that's okay. At least I'm able to show you in a showcase what it looks like inside of the collector's box. Isn't that nice? It does look like I'm missing one, but that's all right. I have plenty of room to spare, and I'm really excited. I also wanted to let you all know that when you do purchase this, or if you're going to purchase it and you purchase something else with it, make sure that you check all of your wrapping paper, and check your slip that comes in with your order, because I was going to throw all of this paper away, but actually there is a surprise in here. It's a surprise. It's another hook. Look at this. So make sure, and this is an FYI tip for you during Christmas time, during the holidays. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Make sure that you check everything that someone sends you, because you never know what might be inside. And look at this. This is a furl. Okay? And let's see if they marked it. They did mark on the back here. They did mark that it is an H hook. You probably can't see it. So I am going to open it up and see what we got. Ooh, look at this red one. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you all see that? I hope it's coming up. Great on the screen. It looks really, really lush. Oh my goodness. This is the nickel. Okay, this right here is the nickel. So you can see the crochet hook. I love these Odyssey hooks. That's what this one is. And it is really nice. It works well in the hand. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. So let's go ahead and add this one to the box. Okay, I just put it in the box. I put the red one in there so you can see. I put this in the box so you can see how they lay. And you can also see that the streamline hook is that larger hook right here. And it fits as well. This particular Odyssey hook right here, this is a 5.0 hook. So this is an H hook. So if you're concerned about taking them out of the box and you don't know for sure, or you're thinking that you may not be able to know what hook is which, well, they put the sizes on the bottom of the hooks, just so you know, for ones that have never purchased a furl before. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to keep the boxes. But I'm keeping them for the time being because I only have 2 or 3 of these. So I'm hoping that you like this review. And I wanted to do a recap on the colors of the collector's boxes. That box that I showed you, this is the ebony box. It is on the Furls website for $169, and it holds 20 hooks. Like I said previously, there are 2 more colors. There is the black oak. It holds 10 hooks and 20 hooks. They are available now for $105 to $199. And that's what's all available in those colors. And in cherry, if you would like the cherry wood, it will hold 10 hooks for $105. What I would recommend is you go ahead and you sign up for their newsletters, and then you can go ahead and get updated information and or maybe some coupons so you can use 10, 15, 20% off coupons. Sometimes they send via email, and you can go ahead and get a wonderful discount, and you can purchase the collector's box. And the collector's box will not be that much, or anything that's has a high price tag, if you go ahead and use that coupon. And you know Black Friday is coming, so think about that. Think about gifting yourself, and you can use one of those coupons to buy something like that. I have my collector's box, so hooray for me. I'm so happy. I'm excited. And I had to show this to you. I do have a link in my description box below. In that description box, it will have a link to the Furls products. It's going to have hooks, Furls hooks, and it's also going to have a link for Furls yarn as well. They do sell yarn. They sell Wims Merino yarn. Check it out. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. So when you click my link will take you to the Furls website. When you click on either one of my links in the description box, I will get a percentage back. It's no cost to you, but this will help me, and this will offset the cost to some of my giveaways, which I will be having one coming up after this video. And I greatly appreciate it if you can go and take a look. If you don't decide to buy today, you can buy another day in the future. Just click my link for Furls. I love these products, and I hope that you do too. So have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for coming over and checking out my video and my review on the Furls collector's box in various colors, and checking out the Furls hooks. And you all have a wonderful and glorious day. Stay safe, everyone.